Indian cinema is marking a proud moment as some of its most celebrated figures have been honored with the Padma Awards 2026. The civilian honors recognize towering contributions to the arts by Bollywood veteran Dharmender, legendary Malayalam star Mammootty, iconic playback singer Alka Yagnik, and actor filmmaker R. Madhavan, each named for various Padma honors. Legendary Bollywood actor Dharmender will be honored with the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in the field of arts, one of the most iconic and influential stars in the history of Hindi cinema. Dharmender had earlier received the Padma Bhushan in 2012. He passed away in November 2025. Hours after the announcement, Dharmender's second wife, veteran actor Hema Malini, reacted to his posthumous Padma Vibhushan. He represents the soul of India, its emotions, traditions, and humanity. Honoring him with the Padma Vibhushan would be a proud recognition of an extraordinary lifetime of service to art and the nation. Legendary Malayalam cinema icon Mammootty, acclaimed playback singer Alka Yagnik, and advertising industry stalwart Piyush Pandey have been named recipients of the Padma Bhushan, one of India's highest civilian honors. Reacting to the honor, Mammootty said, "There is nothing bigger than the honor of the country." Playback singer Alka Yagnik, who was also honored with the Padma Bhushan, said, "I want to thank the government for giving me this prestigious honor. And of course, I really want to thank all my listeners for their unconditional love." Meanwhile, actors R. Madhavan, Prasenjit Chatterjee, Satish Shah, and Rajendra Prasad will receive the Padma Shri. In a long post on Instagram, Madhavan expressed his elation at receiving the Padma Shri. "I consider this not just an award but a responsibility. I promise to carry this honor with dignity, sincerity, and a deep sense of commitment to the values it represents. My heart is filled with gratitude for this extraordinary endorsement and validation, and I hope to continue serving with integrity, humility, and dedication in the years to come." Later this year, President Draupadi Murmu will confer the Padma Awards at Rashtrapati Bhavan as the nation comes together to honor individuals whose work has shaped India's cultural and public legacy.